You're looking like a Mexican. Changing the battery. Got a battery. Changing on the Dodge Dream. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to this job. So now that I gotta take out these battery, let me put this little thing back down. Put this back down, lock this back in place. Now let's unscrew this battery. I gotta take the light off basically to get to this thing. So hopefully it's a bolt right here. That little bolt I just took off, that loosened that up. But let's see what this bolt do. So I have to take off all these clips out of here to pull this back to get this 10, take this light off. Alright, so we got the bolt out. So now, as we can see this light, so we can pull these back. The light is loose. So let's see if we can take the light out. Alright, got the light pulled out. So as we can see, I got the light dangling. Now I got my space in between here. Okay, so this motherfucker rusty. It won't even twist off. I can't get this bracket off, even to get the battery off, because this shit won't come off. They got this shit locked down, bro. This shit is rusty. You see that shit right there? Battery corrosion, rusty. That shit won't even twist. Like, I need to see how this shit sit in here. I can probably take the hook out, but I don't even know how it sit in here. Finally got it off. Had to bend that thing back, as we can see. Had to bend that motherfucker back. That go in a lock hole. Alright, got the battery back in there. Finna tighten it down, put the lights back on. But first thing first, we're gonna tighten him down, crank him up, see it work, then put everything back together. Alright, so we got the battery tightened down. So we finna start it up, see what it do. See if it fire up. Just make sure the keys ain't nowhere to be dropped. So we know, you can see that right there. You can see right now that everything lit up. Everything lit up. Make sure she ain't have a lights on. You know, we seen the lights work, so that's fine. At NRG Stadium. I do mobile mechanic out here at NRG Stadium. Garth Brooks Performance.